Hey guys, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that your concentrator is positioned vertically, just like this, straight up and down. This will make the process a lot easier. Another tip before you get started is to be sure that your client's hair is fully detangled and to let them sit under the dryer for about 5 to 7 minutes to dry their roots. This will also make your job a lot easier and faster. So basically what I do is, again, make sure the hair is thoroughly detangled, and then I just chase my powder brush with my blow dryer. Making sure the client's hair is detangled is very important to prevent snagging and ripping your client's hair out. If working in a big section like this is overwhelming for you, you can always divide your sections in half just to have better control. One thing I would like to mention is, if this is a brand new method for you and you're going to be trying this for the first time, definitely give yourself some grace, because it took me a few tries of doing this for me to find my own rhythm. So it might take you a few tries for yourself as well, but do not beat yourself up about that. As you can see here, I completed the first section, and you can tell that the hair is completely dry by the roots being stretched from root to ends evenly. Again, you want to make sure that your client's hair is thoroughly detangled, because you don't want any snagging. Your client will be in pain. As I mentioned earlier, if you need more control over the hair, you can always divide your section in half like I did here. I don't necessarily recommend doing this on all clients because too much manipulation can alter your client's curl pattern. But I mainly use this on my 4C silk press clients or free feed-in braid clients who have ends that won't stretch with the comb attachment. Again, all you're going to do is just make sure your client's hair is detangled and then just chase your paddle brush with your blow dryer. Once you get close to the end, you want to definitely check in between your sections just to make sure all the hair is stretched and dry evenly. And this is what your client's hair should look like. Let me know in the comments if this helped you guys or not. And if it did, please like and subscribe. See you next time.